Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Honda NC700X twin-cylinder sport bike. This bike is in beautiful condition, 30,000 miles, brand new tires, brand new brake pads, just serviced. It's got an awesome sounding Delkevic exhaust, really makes the bike look great. Electric heated grips, and the famous storage compartment on these NC700s makes for a lot of easy transport. Come on by, check it out. Make your NC700 dreams come true for just $49.99. This bike is not going to be here long. Great curb appeal, beautiful satin black finish. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.